Melanie Amaro is an American singer. She was born on June 26, 1992 in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, United States. She raised on Tortola, British Virgin Islands since the age of 3. She has 2 brothers named Mark and Mike and a younger sister named Maya. Amaro was sent to the British Virgin Islands to live with her grandmother Catherine after her parents Hipolito Amaro and Debra Sylvester Amaro felt they did not have the means to provide for her. Her mother Debra recalls that when her daughter was about 6 months old, she would get up at around 2 o'clock in the morning and would start singing in her crib. In June 2011, Amaro was persuaded by her mother to audition for the first season of the X Factor USA. She previously tried auditioning at her local Fox affiliate for a first pass, but was not well received by producers there and subsequently auditioned with the general public at the Bank United Center in Coral Gables, Florida. After becoming one of the top 32 finalists, she performed Michael Jackson's Will You Be There in the judge's house in front of her mentor Cowell. Amaro was initially not chosen to be part of the top 16 and was eliminated from the girls category. Amaro progressed to the live shows in Cowell's girls category along with Russell Crowe, Drew, Tia Tolliver and Simon Battle. The addition of Amaro took the total number of qualifiers for the first live show to 17. On December 15, 2011, Amaro won a place in the final along with Chris Rennie and Josh Krejciak. The following week, she was declared the winner. Amaro was also declared to be the show's youngest contestant to win at age 19. Her prize was a $5 million recording contract with Psycho Music and a Sony Music label, which is the largest guaranteed prize in television history. Shortly after winning, Sony Music label Epic Records announced that they had officially signed Amaro, who would be working alongside L.A. Reid at the hotel. In January 2018, Melanie Amaro was living in Atlanta, Georgia with her newborn son and was signed under up-and-coming indie-level Morehouse Music Group, LLC, headed by producer and multi-instrumentalist Justin A. On February 17, 2016, Amaro released a new song, The One. On May 6, 2015, Amaro released a new song, Dust, featuring American hip-hop recording artist Fabulous. Dust entered the independent charts at 1 and remained 1 for 6 weeks. As of September 2014, Amaro's album is believed to have been scrapped and will not be released. Months later, Fuel My Fire was taken off iTunes for unknown reasons. In 2014, Amaro relocated to Atlanta, GA with new management. Under new management, Amaro began touring and performing in such places as the Cayman Islands for Fashion Week as well as a few cities in the USA. On June 19, 2014, she premiered the lead single Fuel My Fire on SoundCloud from her upcoming EP of the same name. On October 4, 2013, Amaro made her musical theater debut in the national tour of You Are Never Alone. In August 2013, Amaro performed in Indonesia for RCTI's 24th anniversary television special, X Factor Around the World.